Alright, today's project is a new converter. It's the WFCO 8955. I don't know if you can see that there. 55 amp, and this is auto detect for lithium batteries. This will finish my lithium battery project that I started a year ago. And I went with this one so that it just easily goes into the same spot. And I was going to buy this off Amazon, but I decided not to, because of the latest reviews. People were getting them and they had taken these stickers off of here that gives you the firmware. So this, you can see the firmware is the latest. It's not showing up on my camera. It's the V1.21A firmware, and I don't know if that's the latest or close to the latest, but people on Amazon said they got them with no stickers on it, and they actually looked like they were used. So I decided, I bought this off of Camping World. It was $200 on Camping World. They gave me a 10% discount right off the top, so it was 180 bucks, and I thought that was a pretty decent deal. We'll see how this goes, and I know some people have had problems with it detecting their lithium battery, but it says you need to do a full cycle. You need to let your lithium go pretty much dead and do a full charging cycle, and it'll recognize the lithium. So we'll see how this goes. If not, sometimes they send a jumper to jump it into lithium and it'll stay there. Other times they have you ship it back and they'll do it for you. So I don't have the power on, so I'm using flashlights. We'll see how this shows up. Okay, so I got the power on now. If you look in there, I don't know if this is going to show up. I turned my lights on, flashlight on. I don't think it's going to show up. There's, yeah, you can see a little reflection there. That's the green. That means it's a regular battery. I think my battery's at about 50%, so we'll see if that will work. And then I'll continue this. But we got it all buttoned up. Everything's in, and we'll test it, and I'll put some results on here in a minute. Alright, we turned it on, and I'm going to show the voltage here. It confirms that it is for just a regular wet cell battery. So that's the battery connections right there. I got my multimeter here, 14.4. So according to WFCO WF-CO, it should be at 14.6 for the lithium. But like I said, it's supposed to cycle through one charge cycle before it recognizes that, and we'll see how that goes. And yeah, you can see the green LED in there. I think it's blue when it turns to lithium. So we'll see after a day here how this goes. Okay, we're going to finish this up here, and I'll show you that it did go over to lithium. It's got LEDs back there. Okay, you can see those blue reflections back there. That means it's in lithium mode, and I can tell by my battery charging app it's cranking out 14.6 on the voltmeter. All right, so I got my voltmeter here, and I'm gonna put this on here. So I got that on the positive and negative of the battery, and you can see we're at 14.6, so that confirms that we are in lithium mode. So I think that'll finish this up. I was going to show one thing here. These two screws here are really tight. I got to be careful here. This is all live, but these two screws were torqued down really hard. So I had to use vice grips on this top one on the negative. I put the vice grips on that head to loosen it, and then I got it out, and then I torqued it back down. All right, we got the cover back on, the faceplate, and this was going to finish this up. This is mainly to help me when we run the generator when we're out boondocking. And that'll charge my battery faster. I won't need an extra charger like I've been using. So that's going to finish this up. Thanks for watching, and I'll give updates on this when we boondock the next time. And I have my slide out mattress put up to give me room and access for this. All right, take it easy, everybody.